Hello and welcome to AALogics. So this tutorial for the AliExpress Dropship API integration for Magento 2. This powerful extension is designed to streamline your dropshipping operations, making it easier than ever to manage products, inventory, and orders seamlessly within your Magento 2 stores. While the order API has not been implemented yet, but it is planned to be added in the future to further enhance the extension's functionality. Okay, so in configuration, we have these settings here. We can enable or disable the extension here. Under that, we can set the import text product, and after that, we have cron settings to set the frequency of all crons. Now we have price margin over here where admin can define the margin. So when the product is going to be import, the margin will be applied on the products automatically. And after that, you can see all crons settings for all the imports. And now we have option AliExpress dropship. Here you need to set authentication code for the AliExpress. Now all API configuration fields, you can see this, as well as ship to country, target currency, and target language as well. So after filling all these fields, admin can save the configuration from here. Okay, now when we open the product in the admin and we open the supplier over here, which is AliExpress, we can see the supply statistics. All the imported products and their reporting will be shown over here. After that, we have a supplier information here. You can click it. We can enable or disable here, and we can put all the details for the supplier, which is obviously AliExpress. So here the feed information, you can see this. We need to set the username password of the feed from here, and we need to define the endpoints for category and product as well. Okay, so after that we have content information. You can click it simply. Here you can see all the mapping for the product of AliExpress, and if admin want to change any mapping according to some new products or some new categories, they can add the mapping over here. So here's the stock information. You can click it, and here we can map the stock of the products from the feed. So here the mapping of category, you can click it, and we can easily map all the categories of AliExpress into admins. So here you can see the supplier cron configuration. You can click it simply, and you can see the all the configurations of cron. You can simply enable or disable them. Okay, now we have price information. You can simply click it, and here we can map the product prices. So now we have order mapping. Right now we haven't integrated the order API, and this is the new feature is coming soon in our product, and I hope that you will stay tuned to us and you will get this functionality in future for this product. So now here we have the logs, supplier product logs, and now you can see it, the logs, every cron and every product, which is supplier product logs, which are imported and executed. You can see all the records over here for the logs. If there is an issue, the issue will appear here. You can easily see the logs. Now here we have test feed manually. We can manually test the feed as well. And now here we have main functionality, that is called filters. Simply click the filters button, from where we can import the products, or we can set the filters for categories according to applied filters. After applied filters, the products list down here, you can see this, and after selection you can easily edit here. Now let me show you. When I click the import button, here you can simply click the import button. It took a moment. Now see, the product has been imported. You can view it. Simply click the view button. It took a moment. So now here it is. The product is now visible on the front end. For the bulk import, we can also select multiple products, and we can go in the actions, and here we have import button. Simply click the import button. We can bulk import the products from here as well. So this is all about AliExpress Dropship API extension for Magento 2.